Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going over how to send SMS using Wix in 2025. If you're running an online store, blog, or service through Wix, adding SMS marketing is a powerful way to reach your audience directly, and the setup is easier than you might think. To get started, log into your Wix dashboard and head over to Marketing and SEO section. From there, select Marketing Tools and you'll see the option for SMS campaigns. If it's your first time, you may need to activate the SMS features and connect a payment method, since SMS messages are paid service based on volume. Once you're set up, click on Create SMS Campaign. You'll be able to build your message with the simple editor, keeping short, clear, and action-focused. Add things like promo codes, links to new products, or appointment reminders. Now, choose your audience, which lets you target specific customer groups based on a behavior, location, or purchase history. So you're not just blasting text to everyone. After reviewing the message in your list, previewing everything to make sure it looks clean, and then hit Send Now or Schedule for later. You can track performance right from your Wix dashboard, open rates, click rates, and even conversion, giving you a full review for how your campaigns performs in real time. So whether you're promoting a flash sale or sending out appointment reminders, Wix SMS marketing is a great tool to stay in touch and drive real engagement in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, you get started SMS with marketing on Wix. Be sure to like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more detailed tools like and tutorials. Catch you in the next video.